there! Let's talk about something we've all heard. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. This cycle we're caught in is the broken system. It goes something like this. Grow up, go to school, get a job, go back to school, pay for university, get an education, get married, buy a house, make sure it has a white picket fence, be house poor, have a baby, spend all your money on that baby, forget how to take care of yourself, stress every day about your family and finances, try to retire or never retire, realize there's no time left, and die. That system, it's so broken. I never truly believed in it, but I conformed just to fit in with society. And let me tell you, I was beyond unhappy. There's a big difference between being stuck in that broken system and actually living your life today. The key? Action. So, I took action. I stumbled upon a post on social media that resonated with me deeply. I read that one post that sparked something inside me. It opened up a world of opportunities, an opportunity to help people in all aspects of their lives. I didn't hesitate. I watched a free educational video and realized I had nothing to lose and everything to gain. It was a no-brainer. I went all in. I joined an academy, a community, and launched my own online business in affiliate marketing. And guess what? Anyone can do this. Are you ready to break the system? If you are, drop me a message or type "ready" in the comments. I'll be in touch to answer any questions you might have about our academy and this incredible opportunity. Or head straight to my team's 60+ minute complimentary educational video. This video explains everything and offers a 30-day risk-free trial of our academy. Our new discovery process is a game changer. Learn what you value most in life and see if this business fits you. Excited to meet you. Let's break the system together. You can find more information at www.edithspro.com, WhatsApp at 00447939466794.